Hi everybody, we're on our way to Kelowna still, and we made it to Crazy Creek. There's a waterfall somewhere.
Another bridge.
And another bridge. You need to take both?
I don't know, I think it's just one.
We'll find out soon. Crazy Creek. Apparently, if you want to see waterfalls, you always have to go upstairs. We can do it. We're strong. More walking. When you come on vacation with Jean-Luc and Nick, we make you walk a lot. Woo, look at how pretty this is, though. Look at that.
Wow, the wind change.
Oh my God. The temperature just drastically, it's like a wall.
Walk on here. Feel the difference.
Walk on. It's like a wall of temperature change. So fun. It's very pretty here. You come up all those stairs and then you get this like beautiful.
Oh look, actually,
Like-
you can actually play a game.
Wow, fun.
Cool.
And we're gonna go to the pit stop first. Anything to entertain the children. Make sure that they're well entertained. Lots of rest stops.
And pee breaks.
And that way they stop fighting. Are you guys better now? Are you gonna
No.
behave?
No.
It's about.
The three in the back, the baggage, you just start.
Here we go again.
Epic.
Yeah, no. Don't play axe throwing, Lynn.
Need to be further. That's too close.
Excuses. Wow. Wow, those are beautiful. Why, who's that crossing the bridge over there? Is that my husband, Nicholas? It sure is. And here we go on another bridge. Very cool. It's bouncy. Isn't that amazing? It's absolutely gorgeous. We're going even higher. We're trying to get even closer to the falls. Please stay on designated trails. Look at that. The waterfalls don't even come from where you think they come from. They come from a totally different angle. You can see the bridge right there.
Yeah.
That's the bridge we crossed. And I think it comes to an end. Look at this rock. Look at this mountain. We're on top of a mountain. So we are crossing the highway, which is actually going to be really cool. Expect? But how fun is this? This is wicked. Oh my God, I just want to stand there with cars coming. How cool is this? Just this is fun. Honey.
Hi, people.
Hi. Wave. Wave.
Enjoy BC.
Enjoy BC.